going to show in this video how to connect frames in Figma. Very easy. And if you are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe for more Figma tutorials. So now what we have to do here is very important that you go to prototype here. If you are in design, click on prototype, and now here we'll be able to have this plus here. So if you are in design, if you click on something, you will not have that option. But now if we click on prototype, now we have this plus here, and now when we click on this plus and drag, we can connect frames, as you can see, like so. We can connect frames without any issue. So yeah, I hope you found this helpful. Thanks for watching, and now just make sure you subscribe. And if you have any questions related to Figma, if you have something you're curious about, something you like to learn about something, let me know in the comment section. Also here, I forgot to mention, you can also connect when you access the prototype panel. In the right hand side of the Figma interface, you can look for panel, properties panel, I don't know what it's called, I think the properties. And there you have, you can see from prototype settings, you can scroll here, some settings, scroll with parent position. Then also here interactions, and here in interactions, I click on drag, connect to desktop or desktop 4, and you can see here you can also remove this one or add another one. And of course I select this one, but if I select the other one here, another one here, I can add some interactions. Now maybe I can move this one, connect these, so we have a plus interactions. And now here, if you click on this, you see navigate to, and we can change this to something from here. That's another way to connect. So yeah, I forgot to mention that, but yeah, I hope you found this helpful. Thanks for watching, and I hope you're gonna have a fantastic day. Take care.